In front of me is Motorola Moto G77 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and tap on Clipboard at the top of it. If you can't see it, use this icon at the top left corner and tap on it here. Now to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner and go back. If you see any text here, it's probably the last thing you copied within an hour. Either way, to add anything to Clipboard, just copy or cut any text. Then paste it instantly by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard, or paste it later on by tapping on Clipboard and tapping on it here. If you wish to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. If you wanna delete it, you can swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and use delete button. You can also use this pen at the top right corner, tap on whatever you wish from Clipboard and use bin icon or pin icon to manage it. Last but not least, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!